Hey everyone, my name's Paige. Let's do an Ikea closet makeover today. So I went online and designed the closet exactly how I wanted it. And this is what I settled on. So I have the suspension rail. I have the two side wall pieces. I got 6 of the shelves, 4 of the drawer fronts, 4 of the drawer bases, 4 of the closet rods, and that was it. So I had to take off the closet doors, remove everything from my old closet. So here I'm just spackling all the holes that were left behind. And then sanding away all of the excess so it was flat and ready for me to paint. And then I had to stop and show you how much dust I had all over myself because it was a lot. And then here I'm just starting painting, and I know that my painting technique looks awful. It's because my paintbrush was really old and crappy and I should have just bought a new one. I took the closet doors outside to paint those. And then we're installing the suspension rail here. And then next is the big side pieces. There's a little tiny part right there that you put on the bottom of the piece by the floor. So that's what I had to screw in. And then now I'm just screwing in the little pieces that hold up the bottom shelf. So they're right here, really tiny white pieces, and that's what I'm doing. And then I'm putting the top shelf in right now, but you just can't see it. And then next I started working on some drawers, putting those together. And then I had to screw in the little rails so that the drawers could fit. So I added in the rest of the rails and I added in the rest of the shelves, and then I put it all together. And lastly, I added the closet rods on either side. I had 4 of them total, and this was the finished product. It was super simple, and I would definitely do it again. Thanks for watching.